Hey there, YouTubers. Sorry I haven't been uploading in a little bit, but I had to move into my new place, and it's not all that bad. You can see all my boxes are out. I've got upstairs, got a kitchen, still a bunch of stuff. That's the door to the basement. See how it's got a lock on it? That's scary. Here's the bathroom. It's really small. Unfortunately, the toilet's acting up, so this guy's supposed to be coming over to fix it. Got one bedroom here. This is the linen closet. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Now you're probably wondering, oh, why do you got 3 bedrooms? Well, me and my girlfriend, we're gonna have our own room, and it's not a bad price, $700 a month, so it's not so bad. We needed a place, so it was all right. But I'm just gonna take some time to try to get all my stuff organized right, and so I can finally finish that cabinet. Didn't get to finish it. See, it's got all the rust inhibitor, and there's the stuff ready for it. So just stay tuned, and I'll upload the next video when I'm ready to finally paint and everything. All right, guys, take it easy.